Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by securing access and context. First, sign in with your super admin. This is the only account that can restore core settings. Next, enable two-step verification and store backup codes offline. This prevents lockout during fixes. Also, open your registrar and billing portal now, so once you change DNS or licensing, you can act immediately. Once done, document the current admin and ownership details. This saves hours if you need to escalate. Now you diagnose and repair configuration. Open audit logs to identify when settings changed and which admin made them, because knowing the why guides the fix. Then validate email authentication, MX, SBF, DKIM, DMARC, update DNS and lower TTLs to speed propagation. If users are locked or groups corrupted, use service account APIs or batch tools to restore settings in bulk. This is faster than manual edits. Make changes incrementally and verify each service before proceeding. Finish by validating everything and establishing prevention. You must test mail flow, drive sharing, SSO, and mobile sync from representative accounts. This confirms user impact is resolved. Then, lock down. Reapply least privilege roles, require two-step for admins, and separate duties so one account cannot break everything. If issues remain, gather audit logs, timestamps, and error messages, then open a support case with Google. Provide the collected evidence to speed resolution and reduce mean time to repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.